Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope everybody is doing fine and fantastic in your life. And if you ask about me, I'm extremely fine in my life. And in this video, I'm going to tell you only two methods, or else whatever you consider two habits, or else two tips, two techniques, which really helped me to improve my communication skills. So these are the two habits which I followed every single day when I started learning English language. So only these two habits really changed my fluency and also shaped my personality in English language. And also, I became so much of confident in my life to face anything regarding English. Okay, be it interviews, be it public speaking, be it seminar presentation, self introduction, or else whatever. But I became so confident in this English language after I followed the two methods, so which I'm going to address in this video. Okay, I know. So you must have been trying different methods, you must have been following different videos, and you must have a lot of tips, lot of methods, and also few people say in their videos you have to practice for 10 minutes every day, and other people and others say you have to practice like 20 minutes, and you have to just spend quality of time for learning English. You have to spend at least for 1 hour. So usually people say different things, not different things, it worked for them because everybody is not same, everybody is different. So it depends on the person to person, how productive you use the day, it depends on that. Okay, if when it comes to me, so these two habits really shaped my personality in English language. So what are those two habits I'm going to tell in this video. If you are someone who just started following my channel very first time, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'm very close to 50,000 subscribers. And in the previous video of mine, I literally told there, after hitting 50k subscribers, I'm going to reveal a good news for all of you in the form of video, right? So if you want to know that early, you have to make it early. Okay, this is only small request from my side. Okay, yeah, so now I'm going to tell you the two habits which changed my English fluency. So if I talk about number one quality, whatever you consider, or else number one habit, so which changed my English is speaking regularly. Yes, no matter what, every single day I started speaking to myself. In the beginning, it was very awkward for me. I felt very, underconfident, and I felt very nervous. Butterfly used to run in my stomach. And also, when I went out and when I started speaking in front of other people, literally directly face to face, they started bullying me, they started underestimating me, and they started laughing at my English, and they made fun of my English, they did everything from their end. But once, in my life, I felt very 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 nervous. Okay, I thought in my mind that, okay, I definitely have to give up. I can't tolerate all these things. People are really doing a lot of things. People are saying different things. People are talking against me. They are making fun, and they are just simply they are doing a lot of things. So in my mind, I used to say, but all of a sudden, I remember Balaya words. So once if you start something, no matter how struggle the journey is, no matter how difficult the path could be, but you have to keep moving forward, you should never step back. So these statement which always motivated me when I was in the beginning stage of this English language, right? So this one quality, this one habit literally changed my fluency, that is regular practice. No matter what topic I chose, I didn't even have any idea, but every single day I started speaking to myself, no matter what the topic could be. I used to pick random topics, I used to speak on random objects, and I used to speak to myself a lot. I used to describe about my admire my beauty, whatever. I used to describe my classroom, I used to describe my school, I used to describe my parents, I used to describe my agriculture field, I used to describe supermarket, bus stop, railway station, airport, aeroplane, best friends, enemies. Likewise, I used to choose random topics a lot. And every single day I used to speak on those random topics. Whenever I was getting stuck while I speak on those random topics, immediately I used to take help from the mobile phone, like in terms of vocabulary, in terms of sentence formation, in terms of pronunciation and everything. I used to take help from my mobile, and I used to practice every single day by myself. So this one quality, this one habit literally changed my personality. Because likewise, there are many resources nowadays, but still what you are doing, you are not practicing regularly. You just want instant results, you just want quick results. How will you get quick results without putting hard work from your end, without working very hard from your side? See guys, one thing I want to tell you, if you want something, you have to work for it every day, no matter what. Even right now, at the time of shooting this video, I'm not really feeling well, but I just gave a lot of gap uploading my videos. So that is why I just gathered the courage, I gathered the strength, and I'm shooting this video, right? So this is how you need to be dedicated towards your work. You should not give lame excuses. Once if you start something, you have to just focus on that completely until you finish the task, whatever the project, task, any assignment, any work, whatever it could be. Okay, so you need to please keep going, no matter, keep going forward no matter what. Okay, because people are there always, they will laugh at you, they will judge you, they will make fun of you, and they will even they will satisfy their soul by talking bad about you. You need to understand the reality, you need to understand the fact, and you need to keep moving forward. That's enough for you. Okay, so one thing which really gonna help you is regular practice. Just practice every single day, no matter what. Okay, so this one quality. And and the second habit which really helped my personality is I surrounded myself all the time English atmosphere. How? Being a Telugu regional language, how did I surround myself with English atmosphere all the time? One thing, whatever the news I used to watch, it was in English. Whatever the interviews I used to watch, it was in English. Whatever the conversational videos related I used to watch, it was in English. Whatever the friendly conversation I used to watch, it was in English. Everything, be it stories, be it web series, be it movies, be it songs, interviews, news report, anchoring, whatever TV shows, everything I surrounded myself with English atmosphere, because that was the only option I have at that moment. So that is why I just surrounded myself with only English atmosphere, so which immensely helped me in my English. you know you won't, guys, you won't believe it at all, but once if you start focusing on that, definitely you will become a superhero in your life to speak in English, right? So this is what exactly I wanted to convey. And these two qualities immensely helped my English. And if you want to see your English in a great level, if you want to see your English in a great position, so only one thing I'm requesting you is just try to start focusing on yourself and just try to inculcate the same habits which helped me, right? You need to practice a lot, you need to pronounce more, you need to watch more English related videos, you need to spend a lot of time with English every single day. Instead of giving lame excuses, just try to focus. At the time of giving excuses, just try to focus. Instead that, do these activities which is really gonna help you. Okay, so this is what exactly I wanted to convey from this video. And I don't know how many of you are taking seriously to learn this English language, but one thing, it is my humble request is, just try to please focus on yourself more and more, which is really gonna help you guys immensely. Okay, so this is what which I wanted to convey, and I hope you guys are doing amazing. And just to practice and just surround yourself with the positive people, surround yourself the people who push you towards your goal, not drain your energy down. Okay, so because those are very important as a part of our focus, as a part of our dedication, as a part of our consistency, and as a part of our learning skills, abilities, and everything. So we should surround ourselves with the positive people as well, because that surrounding is very important. Because if you are in negative surroundings, your mindset may change at the time of surrounded by the people, right? So that is why always try to stick with yourself positive people, and just the one who reminds your goals every day, the one who just push you forward towards your goal every day. So those are really very important. Okay, so this is a simple video which I wanted to convey in today's video. Hope you guys really like this video. If you guys really did like my video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video with one more interesting topic. And I'm very near to 50,000 subscribers. It is moving forward every single day. It is only in your hands. Just please make it. Just give a like, share, and subscribe. I feel very happy. And I'm gonna share, after hitting 50k subscribers in the form of video about the good news, I'm still, keeping that good news aside, guys, only for the sake of you. Okay, so when you hit 50, I will definitely first video will be out regarding the good news. Okay, so that is what I'm going to tell you. And thank you so much for supporting and unconditional love and everything towards me. It means a lot, guys. So, and I need more love from you, I need more support from you. It means a lot. Okay, thank you so much. Bye, take care.